That really depends on the country context. WEL has been used, WEL is essentially a methodology which has been applied in many different countries, not just in Latin America region, but in Africa and in Asia region as well. And frankly, different countries have applied it in different ways, to the degree that actually sometimes what we define as GEM and how it is applied in specific country, or how WEL is applied in specific countries, is very similar. So in some cases all we're doing is just making sure that the long-term climate change analysis, for instance, is done, so as to understand how incremental changes such as changes in rainfall patterns or increased temperature over time can actually impact on those programs. In other cases where WEL has been working in a more localized context, emphasizing more on the social capabilities of women's groups and less on looking, say, at end markets, on identifying where there's a continuing demand for certain products, that's where you might say that WEL and GEM is slightly more different, because the emphasis would be more on saying, how can this be commercially viable? How does this have a demand, or how is there a demand for the products that would enable these women to empower themselves?